Hi guys, I hope you all doing great. My name is Sindhu. Before we move on to the video, I would quickly share with you guys that I got this new addition to my table, a cute drawer to keep my clay charms. If you guys don't know, I have restarted my small business called faboocrafts where I sell my cute clay charms. And yeah, let's get started. Today I am showing you how I make a cute penguin. I feel so amazing when doing these tiny little clay jumps. Whenever I complete doing it, it just brings a smile in my face. Always condition the clay for smooth finish. If you get cracks, you can smooth out with your fingertips or you can use cotton buds. You would require a sharp tool like X-Acto knife and a dotting tool to add face details, and most of the tools I have brought from online, so you can get it from there. If you need any links for the products I use or if you have any doubts, do let me know in the comment. I'll try to answer in my next video. And that's all for today. If you really feel like my video is helpful, do subscribe my channel, which will motivate me to create more. And thank you. I will see you next time.